Hello. We are heading to Toronto. They are checking every roller bag. This is the first time I've ever traveled anywhere in the world with a roller bag, and surprise, everybody's roller bag has to be checked at security. We are racing to our gate as for some reason we're like right on time, a little bit late, God only knows, but we're going to the CAFA, or Canadian Academy of Floral Artistry Fall Forum, so I will catch you later. Hello friends, we are at our Airbnb in Toronto, in Canada. Where else would Toronto be? But we are relaxing. We got the base started for our competition piece. We are going to the Canadian Academy of Floral Artists Fall Forum or show. You're going to see a lot more of that. I hung out with the staff of Will Be Bloomin' it's like across the street from my Airbnb. I knew about it because my friend Joe is the owner of it. You probably can't even hear me. I'm trying to be quiet because the Airbnb, while it is a private studio, it is part of other apartments and stuff. I don't want to be too loud. But we are about to go out with Joe and have some dinner. We are doing a beautiful blooming orchid tree, basically suspended within a round shape metal framework. We'll see if that counts as a frame or not, but come along with us. We'll see what's going on. I'll see if you can even hear me, but I will catch you later, and bye. Good morning, everybody. I look like I am part of a horror film. It is like 6:30 in the morning. Joe is on his way to pick me up. We're going to go to the Botanical Gardens and do a lot of work with David, who is the featured designer. There might be people already there. They worked pretty late last night. Canadian Academy of Floral Artists does a really amazing job of bringing education, elevation of techniques, and having some of the best designers in the world to educate. There goes cars. I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, we are going to spend the day just making beautiful collars and like making beautiful things and getting ready for tomorrow's show. And then tomorrow we have the competition first thing in the morning, and then we'll see from there. We might do the workshop. I'm not quite sure yet. It's whatever. But yeah, we're just chilling here. Beautiful, like very artsy like street. This is the street that Joe's shop is on, his second location. That is where we are building our competition design. But yeah, we're gonna try to find some donuts maybe, or something delicious and scrumdiddlyumptious to start our day with. So we'll see what's next.
Morning!
Do you do truck runs on the weekend too?
Sorry?
You do a truck run today as well?
No, we don't.
No?
But we have stuff coming in now. You guys are way too early, that's the problem.
Happy Sunday! Today is the day of the competition. Today is the day of the workshop, and we are about to get started. We're gonna find some of the other competitors, walk around with them, because we are a community. It is not just about competition, but they are out here wandering around, and I'm gonna find them. Then we're gonna get some breakfast / lunch and just enjoy our day, but we will catch the demonstration later, so I will show it to you later. And some of the beautiful work. We have David here from the UK, and we're just floating, we're just fluttering through. So I will catch up with you all later, and we'll see what's going on. Bye.
Spent how much on flowers? Huh? Crazy. And it was like almost overnight these restaurants are going, yeah, we don't need flowers anymore. Like, oh. Of course, there's no going back. It's very difficult to get those, get that business back. But slowly, slowly. Ceramic here, lovely colour, sort of champagne colour, with a really nice texture to it. And I thought this would be a nice way to show off that black foam again, so you're not having to worry about